The 2018 Winter Olympics, officially the 23rd Olympic Winter Games and also known as Pyeongchang 2018, were an international winter multi-sport event held between 9 and 25 February 2018 in Pyeongchang County in the Gangwon province of South Korea, with the opening rounds for certain events held on the 8th of February. A day before the opening ceremony, Pyeongchang was elected as the host city for the 2018 Winter Games at the 123rd IOC session in Durban, South Africa in July 2011. This marked the second time that South Korea had hosted the Olympic Games, as well as the first time it hosted the Winter Olympics. The 2018 Games marked the third time that an Asian country had hosted the Winter Olympics, after Sapporo 1972 and Nagano 1998, both in Japan. It was also the first Winter Olympics to be held in mainland Asia, and the first of 3 consecutive Olympic Games to be held in East Asia, preceding Tokyo 2020 in Japan and the Beijing 2022 in China. The 2018 Games featured 102 events over 15 disciplines, a record number of events for the Winter Games. This is the first Winter Olympics record in Olympic history to award more than 100 medals. 4 events made their Olympic debut in 2018: big air, snowboarding, mass start speed skating, mixed doubles curling, and mixed team alpine skiing. A total of 2,914 athletes from 92 NOCs competed, with the national debuts of Ecuador, Eritrea, Kosovo, Malaysia, Nigeria and Singapore. After a state-sponsored doping program was exposed following the 2014 Winter Olympics, the Russian Olympic Committee was suspended, but selected athletes were allowed to compete neutrally under the special IOC designation of Olympic athletes from Russia, provided they could meet certain anti-doping requirements. North Korea agreed to participate in the Games in spite of tense relations with South Korea. The two nations paraded together at the opening ceremony as a unified Korea, and fielded a unified team in the women's ice hockey. South Korea ranked 7th overall at the 2018 Winter Games, with 5 gold medals and 17 overall medals. South Korea has traditionally been a country that won many medals in short-track speed skating. But in this competition, it also won medals in skeleton racer, curling and ski. South Korea's Yoon Sung-bin won a gold medal in men's skeleton racer, the first Olympic gold ever won by Asia in the sledding event. Norway led the total medal tally with 39, followed by Germany at 31 and Canada at 29. Germany and Norway were tied for the highest number of gold medals, both winning 14. Pyeongchang was elected as the host city at the 123rd IOC session in Durban, South Africa, on 6 July 2011, earning the necessary majority of at least 48 votes in just one round of voting. Winning 63 of the 95 votes cast in the first secret ballot, Pyeongchang received more votes than its competitors combined, overwhelmingly beating Munich in Germany, which received 25 votes, and Annecy in France, which received 7. This was South Korea's third consecutive bid for the Winter Olympics, having been defeated by Vancouver and Sochi respectively in the final rounds of voting for the 2010 and 2014 Games. Earlier, Pyeongchang lost to Vancouver with a difference of 3 votes in bidding the 2010 Olympics, and lost to Sochi with a difference of 4 votes in bidding the 2014 Olympics. Since then, South Korea made great progress in preparing to host the Winter Olympics and succeeded in hosting the 2018 Olympics after 3 challenges. After winning the election, Pyeongchang became the third Asian city to host the Winter Olympics. Also, South Korea became the second country in Asia to host both the Summer and Winter Olympics. On 5 August 2011, the International Olympic Committee announced the formation of the Pyeongchang 2018 Coordination Commission. On 4 October 2011, it was announced that the organizing committee for the 2018 Winter Olympics would be headed by Kim Jin-sun. The Pyeongchang Organizing Committee for the 2018 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games was launched at its inaugural assembly on 19 October 2011. The first tasks of the organizing committee were putting together a master plan for the games as well as forming a design for the venues. The IOC Coordination Commission for the 2018 Winter Olympics made their first visit to Pyeongchang in March 2012. By then, construction was already underway on the Olympic Village. In June 2012, construction began on a high-speed rail line that would connect Pyeongchang to Seoul. The International Paralympic Committee met for an orientation with the Pyeongchang 2018 organizing committee in July 2012. Then IOC President Jacques Rogge visited Pyeongchang for the first time in February 2013. The Pyeongchang Organizing Committee for the 2018 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games created Pyeongchang winners in 2014 by recruiting university students living in South Korea to spread awareness of the Olympic Games through social networking services and news articles. The